Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Hello, it's me again. As I promised in my last video, I'm going to give you a recipe of breadcrumbs that I used in that video. As I said before, if you need breadcrumbs, you can go to a bakery that's close by. Well, bakeries that make bread, of course. They have lots of this, and then you find out they don't really sell it. I guess they don't really know it's a good business. So you can go there and ask them to give it to you. They throw it out all the time, so ask them for the breadcrumbs and hopefully you get it. Or you can make it my way. So you just get your bread, you slice off the brown sides of the bread, and then of course we're also going to use that to make breadcrumbs, but first we're going to use the white part. So all we need to do is process this until it's finely processed. Well, that's still the word. Then we're going to put that in our pan and fry it or bake it. Well, there's no oil, there's nothing in there. You just put it in a pan and then you're going to fry it until it is crispy. Okay, so guys, while we are doing that, I want to talk about something. So I was scrolling on my WhatsApp status and I saw this post, and this poster was saying dan Allah a hankali a daina addu'ar tashin hankali akan namiji please. Wallahi last year war haka har kuka nake ina roƙon Allah ya bani mijina. To yanzu ya bani banda cin ubana ba abin da yake yi. So what she really is saying here is that it's like a platform she sends the message to. She wants the platform to actually advise young ladies looking for husband against praying for, let's say, a particular man, because she did the same last year and then now she is just suffering in the hands of this man. She is married to him, of course. Allah has answered her prayers, but she's just suffering in his hands and she wants out of the marriage. Like, all her prayers right now is to get out of the marriage. What I have to say is that yes, it's not wrong for you to pray for a husband. It's not wrong for you to pray for a good job. It's not wrong for you to pray for whatever it is. Is it luxury? Is it children? Is it whatever? Please don't put your mind up for just what you feel you want or what you feel is good for you. Something might be meant for you, but that thing might be meant to harm you. You might want a husband, you might want a wife, but that wife or husband that's coming to you might not be a blessing to you. It might be a test or a punishment for you. So what you pray for is for Allah to give you what's best for you. And this is basically about everything. I don't mean just looking for a partner. Even if it's kids, children that you're looking for, pray to Allah to give you the best of children. The best of children in this dunya and then in the hereafter. Children that you'll be proud of. If it's a car you're looking for, if it's that dream job, what is that dream job a good one for you? What if it's a job that is going to drain you out physically, mentally, and just you become so miserable? It doesn't matter how much you get paid. Sometimes that money is not worth it. Is it your business? Is business going to be good for you in your life? You ask Allah for what's best for you. Don't just go straight, no, I want to go into this business. Ya Allah, make it for me. Oh no, I want to marry this person. Ya Allah, please let me marry them. Oh ya Allah, this is the job I want. I have to get it. Ya Allah, give me. No, please don't do that. You don't choose things like that. Pray about it for it to be al-khair for you. Oh wait, that's my name, Khair. Yeah. Sorry, I got carried away. I feel like people make a lot of mistakes, and especially young ladies. We know you have that man you're dating, you have that man you want to be with. We understand how you feel. But you don't go asking Allah to give you just that particular person because you feel, oh, you are so comfortable, you feel you love them, they love you. Stop destroying your future and your children's future and your akhirah just for the sake of you feel. I feel, this is my feelings, this is what I think makes me happy. So please, let's be careful. Let's ask for Allah's decision. Let's ask for Allah to give us what's best for us, not what we think is best for us. Okay, let's get back to our breadcrumbs. I hope you make so many recipes with these breadcrumbs. I hope you enjoyed it. See you in another video. I love you.